Military helicopters buzzed over much of West Lewis County Monday and overnight, and boats plied muddy floodwaters from PL to Centralia as rescue efforts continued during the worst flooding ever recorded in the upper Chehalis River. The Chehalis River was expected to crest this morning at 10 a.m. in Centralia, about a foot above the record February 1996 flood levels. The water inundated much of the Twin Cities, from Chehalis through the Miracle Mile to Centralia. Several bridges have been washed out between Adna and PL, including the vehicle bridge into Rainbow Falls State Park. There were no confirmed deaths from the floodwaters, but a Winlock man was reported missing Monday after trying to repair a pump under his home. At least half a dozen hypothermic people were brought to Providence Centralia Hospital as of this morning. As of Monday, from 50 to 70 people had been rescued, many plucked from rooftops and transported to temporary shelters in schools from PL to Adna. The Chehalis River in Centralia hit a new record high at 3:30 this morning of 74.78 feet at the Mellon Street gauge near exit 81. The massive rains that have dumped upon Lewis County are the result of a Pineapple Express system. Interstate 5 was closed Monday afternoon, and by this morning was under as much as 10 feet of water. The freeway could remain locked down until Thursday, officials say. As of this morning, only a twisting, hilly route from Centralia Alpha Road to Seminary Hill connected Chehalis and Centralia. Floodwaters rivaling those of the infamous 1996 inundation rushed over the banks of county rivers in Monday's morning hours, prompting a partly informal but expert rescue mission from both government agencies and regular folks with jet-driven boats. Many of the rescuers, volunteer and official alike, organized near the historic Lewis County Courthouse in Chehalis before heading back down State Route 6 to the westernmost dry spot near the intersection of Twin Oaks Road. The slow-moving crest of the Chehalis River flooding is slowly moving downstream toward Grand Mound, where dive teams and boats were staging this morning in the Moon Road area of southwest Thurston County, with 3 rescues already conducted as of about 9 a.m., according to the Thurston County Sheriff's Office. Four helicopters from the U.S. Coast Guard, Navy, and King County Sheriff's Office have assisted in the rescue efforts. The National Weather Service forecasts that showers will slowly diminish in the Twin Cities area over the next 36 hours. The service also expects dry weather from Thursday until Sunday that will assist in lowering the levels of area rivers.